Hey everybody, Josh Airvinerd here at Haylett RV of Coldwater, Michigan, and we just got done with the big RV dealer open house. And if you don't know what that is, think of like the biggest RV show you've ever seen in the world, but it's only for dealers. It's where we get to go see all the new stuff, the updates, and even the stuff that we've already received here at Haylett RV that's been updated has additional updates. We pounded the pavement from open to close every single day of that display. We got kicked out of the displays 3 out of 4 days because they're like, look, we really want to go home. We're tired. And frankly, we were tired too. So it wasn't like we were arguing. We didn't even get to make all the stops we want to make. Well, even with all the brands we carry, it's hard to get to stop and really spend time everywhere. So I didn't really have time to do like at the Jayco homecoming meeting, I got to do this cool sneak peek video because there was going to be like 6-8 weeks before that stuff started rolling out on the grounds. The stuff that's coming out of the open house updates, that stuff's kind of already out there. So rather than do a bunch of individual little sneak peek things, which would have been nice, the stuff's going to be here in 1 or 2 weeks anyway. So just keep an eye, subscribe to our channel, and you'll see the new stuff start rolling in. There's some really big updates, like Winnebago's made some major changes. They've changed their fiberglass. They've gone to Asdel. They're doing a lot of things right. Their new Voyage series sounds good. And that's kind of what I want to do with this video. Answer a couple quick questions. No, we are not getting rid of anything. It's amazing people keep asking. I think it's because people are like, I was thinking of buying a brand and I want to make sure I'm not making a mistake. You're not getting rid of it for problems, are you? No, we're not. We're keeping everything we have. Yes, we are adding some stuff. I can't divulge details on that yet. I'm excited though. I'm excited. We are going to have some fun stuff in store. I've already mentioned Winnebago's gone to Asdel. That's a big update. There's a bunch of new floor plans. Almost all of the new floor plans that any manufacturer we carry are adding. I think we're picking up 9 out of 10 of those. Especially like, oh my gosh, Cougar, Montana has all kinds of new stuff. We're all over that. Like Cougar had like 10 new models this year, and I think we're grabbing like 8 of them. So chances are, if there's a new thing that you've seen, we're going to be bringing it in here at Haylett RV, including the Winnebago Voyage series that everybody and their brother has been asking about. And in case you're kind of curious, again, we'll have full videos of that. Those don't go into production until about December, by the way. What we got to see were literally the first prototypes that came out. And there's a couple little things here and there, and I mean every little nook and cranny. We're like, hey, what about this? What about that? And the guy who develops them is like, yeah, we're already on that. Production's already on that. This was just something we had to put together real quick. We've got that fixed. Wow. I mean, they are just all over it. It's absolutely awesome. But the Voyage series, just to give you a quick idea, it's like if an Eagle HT travel trailer and a Freedom Express had a baby. But it's not, it still has its unique identifying qualities. So it's 7 foot tall inside like an Eagle HT. It's got the Asdel kind of feel of a Freedom Express. It's got the drop frame storage like an Eagle HT. There's a lot of things, but here's a really cool thing on those. Even in a travel trailer, and it's expensive, but you can put a 4-door 5th-wheel gas electric fridge freezer in those things, and that is really cool. And what I love is even on the prototypes, the fit and finish on those was outstanding. Winnebago's absolutely still committed to doing great things. And then their Voyage 5th wheels. I think it's hands down going to be the best 5th wheel they've ever made. We've got our name in the hat on the first batch of the Voyage trailers and 5th wheels that comes out. We'll have them here. And like I said, like the new Catalina Expedition, which if you just boil it down very simply, if I just said Stick and Tin Geo Pro, it's a Stick and Tin Geo Pro. Even so much to the tune that if you talk to the guys at Catalina, I looked at it and they're like, well, it's made for off-grid and it's solar and blah, blah, blah. And I went, so Stick and Tin Geo Pro? And they went, yeah, you know. It was kind of funny talking to them about it. But I have to get back to work. It's a mess for me if I stay out of the office for any length of time, let alone 4 consecutive days like that in the heaviest new arrival time of the year. I'm buried. I am buried. So if you have questions on this stuff, please just contact our team here at Haylett RV. Actually, what's kind of cool is because we're only 58 minutes from that big open house display, we brought our entire sales team down Tuesday to Thor and Wednesday to Forest River, and they got to see everything just like I did. So I'm not the only guy that knows my way around this stuff. All I ever ask in any case, whether it's now or later, just give our team the opportunity to do their job for you, and I think you'll find why more people choose Haylett RV given the opportunity than those that don't. I'm not saying that we're the best, the only place. Every place has good qualities, every RV has good qualities. But I think if you give yourselves a chance to meet our team, you'll see why we do so well. So take care, stay safe, have fun. Happy camping, everyone, and hold on, because it's going to be one heck of a ride this fall.